This video is for affiliate marketers, affiliate marketing for beginners. A lot of beginners may wonder, where do I start when it comes to affiliate marketing? Well, first and foremost, what is affiliate marketing? A marketing arrangement by which an online retailer pays a commission to an external website for traffic or sales generated for its referrals. One pro about this is that you don't have to create your own product to be an affiliate marketer. Well, one con is that you got to take a cold lead and turn them into a warm buyer. That can be challenging at times when it comes to affiliate marketing, because let's say someone comes onto your product, why should they buy it? What makes it so special, so good? That's sometimes the challenge when it comes to affiliate marketing. And also a lot of competition in certain areas out there as well. So there's many affiliate programs out there, and this is just scratching the surface when it comes to affiliate programs. Again, there's so many more. But to just name a few, you have Max Bounty, JVZoo, ClickBank, Walmart, Amazon. The list really goes on and on when it comes to affiliate marketing. When it comes to beginners, why I say Amazon is best for beginners to start. Well, Amazon, first and foremost, unless you're hidden under a rock, has millions of products, and Amazon really has taken over the world of sales and retail and online marketing and online sales. They have selling down to a science. So one key is let them do the selling for you. And the pro with being on Amazon as a beginner, the commissions will be easier on Amazon for the above reason. They got millions of products, and they're professionals at selling their products and upselling you and all that other stuff when you go to Amazon. One con is that Amazon only pays a small commission for their sales. If I'm not mistaken, at the time of making this video, between 3 and 6%, give or take, which is not very much. For example, if you sell something for $15. A lot of the experienced marketers, they're targeting high ticket products. They're, believe it or not, selling Rolexes on Amazon for $20,000 on up. But yet there's, mid-range products for $100, $50 that you can capitalize on as well. So how to make sales? Well, first with Amazon, you want to go and research, and you can do this on Amazon.com. It's free. Go and research top selling products. Pick a few products to review. Of course, pick products that has really high ranking, high reviews. It's a quality product, because you don't want to be promoting a product that's got bad reviews, right? You want a good top selling product. So pick a few of them, 7 to 10 of them. Really, top marketers are really pushing, as I mentioned earlier, those bigger ticket items. So start out, my suggestion, between 20 to $100. Yeah, you won't make a whole lot, but this will get your feet wet and teach you the ropes on affiliate marketing. There's a whole bunch of categories. You could get overwhelmed when you go onto Amazon. So pick out fitness products. There's many pet products you can sell, camping, sportswear, gear products, and all that stuff in relation to these categories. But also think about this. What are some things that you are interested in, that you are knowledgeable about? That could cut out the learning curve when it comes to affiliate marketing. If you find products that you are very comfortable with promoting, and you've even purchased these products in the past that you have some knowledge about, that's a step above the rest, if you ask me. So keep that in mind. How to promote and make sales when it comes to selling on Amazon. So once you've found your product to promote, this method takes a little capital, not much to start, but just a little bit of capital perhaps, and you'll see what I mean. You want to make a YouTube video and review said product. You don't have to own this product, but it does give you authority if you do. And I recommend purchasing the product and give a live review on YouTube, make that video, of some of the things you like and some of the things you don't like about that product. Spell this right. Remember to provide value to your audience. And they're relying on you to give them a candid view of the product prior to purchasing it. So you're providing value with these videos and these reviews that you're promoting. And you go on YouTube, you'll see all kinds of reviews, and that's how it's done, guys. Affiliate marketing anymore doesn't require a long website, making these things and these product reviews. You don't need a blog or website to do this. Now, you can enhance and do that in the future, but again, if you're just starting out, you don't have that kind of money and capital to generate those things. This is a great opportunity for you with little to no money startup to do that. Also, the next point here. Once you got the product that you want to review, of course, in order to make money, you need to sign up for an affiliate program. And again, we're discussing Amazon. Amazon Associates is free. It's a free program. And once you have your link, once you sign up, it's pretty simple to sign up through Amazon Associates. Just, follow what's instructed. You'll have to provide your information, and you even have to, if I'm not mistaken, when I signed up, you have to fill out a W-9 and tax forms here in the U.S. And then once you get your links, you want to paste those affiliate links of that product once you go and find it. And then you're going to put it in the description of your YouTube videos. And then once potential customers click that link, that's how you make your sale. And again, you don't have to do upselling like many marketers out there are doing when they have and create their own products. You have to sell it yourself when you create your own products and you have your own affiliate products. But Amazon does the selling for you. And one beautiful thing is this little bullet point here about Amazon is they provide 24-hour cookies. Now, some companies and some affiliate programs put cookies on for longer, but these cookies allow you to get commissions even if it's a product that you didn't promote, or even if from that YouTube link that you sent them there to Amazon. And if they buy within 24 hours, case in point, there was an individual who was writing a review for a product, and they linked to let's say a fitness product, and that person didn't even buy the fitness product from Amazon. They ended up buying like a $3,000 TV because this 24-hour cookie was attached at the time. It didn't run out yet. They got commissions on that $3,000 TV. So do 6% of, $3,000, like it was some smart TV with, LED. It was really nice TV. So that's a nice perk by signing up with Amazon affiliates. You do get that 24-hour cookie. And Amazon, again, they're real professional at selling products. That's what they do, right? So check out the link in the description for a free affiliate course if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing. So I provide free tools out there, just giving back to the community that has helped me out quite a bit along the way. So I'll continue to provide value in these videos, and if you appreciate it, so subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care.